Yep. When you have a full magazine, Luke, sometimes it's hard to seat the mag, so you want to pull after you push it in. Always pull. See how it came out? See, it's hard. What's happening is this bullet, this last bullet, is pushing up on the bolt, and because the magazine is full, it doesn't want to give, and it's hard to get it in there. So a lot of people will actually load their mags with only 28 rounds just for that reason, because it's easier to seat the mag. I mean, for today's purposes, I would just recommend locking back the bolt. Grab the pistol grip. What you're going to do is you're going to take your other hand, you're going to pull this back, and with your finger you're going to lift up on this after you pull this back. Pull it back and hold it. Alright, now lift up. Now let go. Now push this forward. Click it in. Alright, now you'll be able to seat your mag because the bolts will be out of the way.
Then I just pull this back?
Huh?
Then I just pull this
No, release it with the, there's two ways to release the bolt. You can either do this right here, or you can just slap it with the heel of your hand, like that.
Then I'm good to go?
Yeah, take your safety off. Hey, step to the right just a little bit. You're in the sun real bright. There you go. That's good.
I'm gonna shoot that one yellow box.
It didn't chamber the next round?
I pulled trigger and it didn't go.
Huh. Shooting just over it. Shooting just over it.
Do I need to do anything?
Oh. Nice.
I just find out how many times I hit it.
Alright, bud. Show me how it's done.
Okay, let me make sure Then you pull this back?
Yep. Oh, it's already back. Push it back forward. Click it in. It's not clicked in.
I don't know
Charging
how to work
handle.
this.
The part you just pulled back,
Yes,
push
sir.
it further forward. There you go. Alright, now grip the rifle like this. Right here.
Push it.
Yep, push it.
Alright, ready?
Yep. Make sure your safety's off.
Where's the safety?
On both sides of the rifle. You got one here and here. You flick it down with your thumb.
Where's my box?
Where's your what?
I can't see the box.
see the box?
Where'd it go?
It's to the left. You don't see it sitting there?
Oh.
You hit it too.
Where'd it go? Okay, how do you take this out?
Hit that button to release the mag. You remember how to release the bolt?
No.
Right in front of the trigger.
This?
Yep. And then turn your safety on.
Okay. Nice. You want to shoot that way?
Yeah, I'm just going to shoot into the ground. Ready?
Yes, sir.